Good morning, good morning, good morning. It is Tuesday morning, and I just feel great and want to say thank you to all of my supporters, my subscribers, for liking my videos, for watching the videos, for subscribing to my channel, for commenting and having interaction with me. Thank you. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do. Subscribe, like, comment, and share. I'm getting ready to put this necklace on this necklace. Now, I'm not going to wear this side. I am going to wear this side out. And I'm going to wear these earrings today. Not going to do anything big to my hair. I did put a few twists in my hair last night. This one is dropping out, and I'm going to let it drop this way. I'm going to leave it that way. I'm going to take this one. This is another twist. I'm just going to twist it, and I'm going to always twist in the direction that you want to go. And then I'm going to take it around this way. I'm going to take it a little bit lower than I normally do. I'm going to take this twist, and notice that it's twist toward the back. And I'm going to take it a little bit lower than I normally do. And I believe that if I do that, I can use a smaller goodie clip. So I'm going to use this brown goodie clip in the back. I have on some brown boots. And my hair is styled for today. And one of these days, I'm going to do what you're thinking right now. I am going to go ahead and put the rest of my hair up as well, because I know that's another style. That's what you're thinking. I'm going to try that one day. I will. Right now, I am going to go into my conversation room. I need to package a pair of earrings that was purchased on Poshmark, and I want to share that with you. So come along, I'll meet you over there.
Saw your picture on my timeline.
Oh, you made it. Great, great, great. Took a while. I want you to see the pair of earrings that I am getting ready to ship. Here it is. And this is the back of it. I have a Poshmark thank you card that I'm going to place in there as well. But before I do that, we'll put it in the box. I'll just go ahead and put it in the box. And then I'm going to wrap it in this bubble wrap. I forgot one thing. I'm going to get it. I'm going to wrap it again in this tissue paper. And I'm gonna put this thank you heart on it because I want them to know I'm grateful for them patronizing me on Poshmark. And I am also going to sign this thank you card. And what I always do is I draw this little funny looking heart on it. Why? Or one thing I'm not good at is drawing. So I'm gonna put this in. Label, and my tape secures the flap as well. And that's it. It's ready to go to the post office. This is a sister who loves her locks. I love my friends. I love my family. I love my followers, my subscribers. I love my poshers. I love God. Because he's so good to me. He keeps blessing me in so many ways. I can't count those blessings. So I'll just ponder and think on them and know that God is truly great. He is a good God. Have a great day. Have a great day.